Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb on a BMW 1 Series. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch. Always refer to your owner's manual to confirm the exact bulb type needed for your specific model. This ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, open your car's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few plastic covers or clips to gain clear access. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing the release tab and pulling it away. Take your time to avoid damaging any wires or connectors during this step. Now it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on your model, you'll either twist it counterclockwise or unclip it from its housing. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its base and avoid touching the glass. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb, ensuring it's seated correctly and secured. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb. Before closing everything up, turn on your car's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. Once you've verified it's illuminating, replace any covers or clips you removed earlier, ensuring they are securely fastened. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.